Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a ZkSync on the Binance. What's going on with this token now? Let's dive in. Once again, guys, the great example. So fundamental absolutely doesn't matter. Yes, I hope you agree, because if this is so super attached, so great project, how the chart can look like just a pump and dump. So here, minus 71%. 70%. From the leasing, dump it 72%. So what's the point of that attach? If the asset of that super useful attach project, right, with some solutions on a blockchain, which created to save our lives and make our life much better in the blockchain, right? Why the asset dump it like meme tokens? So it's kind of weird, right? So they act like, oh, we are build something, but take a look on DYDX. What do they build the last 3 years? If the token dump it from the $1, from $25 to $1, then bounce it to $4 and dump it to 60 cents. So guys, all of the fairy tales about the attach, right? It's just fairy tales. So let's be real. Of course. You have to understand when we will see the BTC dominance under 45%, just by logic, the whales and the institutional start spread money, their profit from the BTC, the liquidity from BTC, or into stablecoins or into altcoins. And some liquidity inflow into ZK, definitely. And when we will see, for example, something like this one on a chart, they will tell you, oh, take a look, this is a great project because of TACH. But no, it's not because of TACH, it's just because of simple liquidity inflow and the outflow. So that's it, guys. So with fundamental or without a fundamental, the chart will look identical. It's just a matter of time when we will see the liquidity inflow into alts. And of course, after that, the team will use that moment in a marketing purpose to show you, oh, take a look, we work so hard on something and we build something all that time. But guys, don't be trapped, because it's just part of the game. Even on a BitGet, in the indentation accumulation pump model invalidated. So what to do if the model invalidated? I already explained it to you on StarkNet video, but I will remind you again. So take a look. We got this zone of interest. One zone, second one, 3, 4. 4 lines where you can purchase the token based on your own money management, risk management by limit orders. So your average entry can be around here. For example, you're buying here, 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 here. So your average entry around 12 cents. Got it. Now it's 10 cents. So what to do now? Nothing. You just wait this zone to out. 100% here, this one. Withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Can we drop lower than this low of this one, February 2025? Yes, of course. So we leave the liquidity pool in August 2024, bounce from the zone of fixation profit, we dump it and sweep liquidity. Tiny one sweep. Can we drop? Yes. So it's not an option, no, we can't drop lower. We can drop even to 0, and this token can be delisted from the exchanges. So guys, it's not a magic. So it's not a rule. So if the exchanges, even the Binance, list some token, they can't delist it after the year, for example. I a million times share with you the example of Polka Starter, Pulse. So is it Pulse was so bad token, is some scam meme token or so? No, it was a great project. Pulse, Polka Starter, IDO platform. So what's the point? But they delisted. The same story can be with the ZkSync. So take a look. I think, yes, with with that hype around the altcoin season, all alts will pump it. And I think, yes, ZkSync will hit the new all-time high. It's not a big deal now to put the price from 10 cents to 30, for example, or to 50. So yes, $1 is possible. But be careful with expectations, because you have to pay attention for the vesting schedule, right? The funds, the team from the raising rounds, everything about this stuff I already explained to you in first videos about ZkSync. So track the vesting schedule, crypto rank, for example, or token unlocks, and don't be trapped. Don't be trapped, because the big difference between the FDV, market capitalization, and all of that things. So just out in the right time. And when you, for example, invest now 10 cents up to your own risk, you can fix a profit at 20 cents and withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and sleep well. So pretty simple strategy. And you remember, I explained it, for example, for some guys who bought it here, this one, the profit at new all-time high will be only 100%. For the guys who catch that knives, the profit will be 270%. But for the funds who invested on seed rounds and the private rounds, the profit will be much more better, much more bigger one. So they can distribute step by step again. So just be careful. Now it looks like one big range, right? So we got a like top, lowest point, deviation at the bottom. So the next step should be deviation at the top. So we just a range. How long we can trade in this range, nobody knows, guys. Maybe 1 year more. We can't know. We can't know. I truly believe so. Sooner or later, anyway, the alts will follow the BTC trend, because now alts in the downtrend. So let's be real, you know. Also, take a look on the daily time frame. Anyway, sooner or later, this one, tops will be swept. So at least 24 cents for swing trades, it's more than okay. Everything what is too close position for swing trades. Everything what is under low of February 3rd one, it's under 7 cents 94. It's just open space. We can't know where the whales will stop the sales. So we can see this one. Everybody catch the knives. We bounce it. Everybody starts selling. We go to the moon. Then we land it again and repeat. So it's possible. You can open the chart of BBL, for example. So there's everything possible in crypto, just in case. Take a look with my customer said what whales do now with this asset. So here, this was a distribution dump on the daily time frame. This is accumulation. So technically, of course, if you catch the knives, you know, you could fix a profit 41%. Technically, also, this is capitulation, market move, this is capitulation, this is accumulation. Weekly time frame, this is still area, still not touched at the bottom, and still not touched the bottom on ADZ. So in summer, it will be like 1 year like they launched this token. Imagine almost half year, we just trade like in a range, 29 cents and 8. So just one global range. Money power. So here was money outflow. Here is good 1-2 weeks in a row, money inflow. Finally is good one. So 10 cents is good one. Up to your own risk, accumulate this stock. At least we got some money inflow, but we can't know the size of that money inflow. On the daily time frame, the same story. So this was a money inflow. Take a look how they build the average entry here. Money inflow at 13 cents, then they dump the price and accumulated 10. So the average entry there got like 12.50, for example. It's easy to pump to 24 cents again, this one, and the fix the withdraw initial deposit and the fix the profit. And after that, dump it again. Trade on. A trade on the daily. Here was a signal to sell, dump, buy back, buy. Last time we got a signal to buy was here and here. Weekly time frame, no signals. Take a look there. Take profits, guys. Last indicators, weekly time frame, no data. Daily one. We trade on the fundamental value. So every single time when we trade on the fundamental value, it's good time to buy, at least for just trades. You know. Now we reject at this one. So it's, you remember this FIB. It's a FIB. It's not just random rectangles. So this one. So we reject at 0.886 level by FIB. But this FIB is invalidated, right? That's why we rejected that block. So you understand why exactly this block market. So we rejected. How low we can drop? Technically, we can drop again to the buy line on 12 time frame. It's 10 cents round number, or 50% of this range. It can be like around 8 cents 98, and the fundamental value of this token again on 12 time frame, it's 7 cents 47. So from this current prices, it can be again new dump 30% down. So just in case. But we talk not only about the bearish case scenario, because I hope. Anyway, in spring, I hope we will see some bounce for alts. So with this move bounce, or with this move bounce, sooner or later, or from current prices we can bounce. We will see the test of this one. Take profit line, it's around 20 cents, 19.95. Exit line, 22.45. So up to your own risk. So if you got a plan to accumulate ZkSync, you can accumulate now. Now we're in a good condition to accumulate this token for speculation. 10 cents. If we dump, for example, to 7, you add more. If you got a plan to add more, because I have no deal, for ZkSync. I absolutely don't care about this token. I can't accumulate all of that tokens. So if you got a plan, you can accumulate now and build a plan to buy again, for example, at 6. So your average entry will be like 8. And write to 16 cents, withdraw initial deposit, and the fix at the new all-time high. And yes, my conclusion is I believe in new all-time high for this token. If, of course, the exchanges will not delist it before. So guys, all targets relevant. Build a realistic price target for this token or any other tokens, because not all tokens will perform like crazy this altcoin season, if we will see this one. I hope you like this video. Subscribe, change, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.